Bent Wrench TV, folks. We bent shit. Got the Panhard bar on the front axle on that heat race. The bolt disappeared. And it bent and it was dragging and the car was driving like hot dog shit. But, by the way, it's 4th of July and we're in Gillette at the Gillette Thunder Speedway.
It's just the front rotor. Yeah, good. Your way. Whoa, too far. Even! Where'd the ball go?
Yeah, so see how that axle goes like that? That bar keeps it from going like that.
It was doing that while I was trying to go 80 mile an hour.
Yeah. The axle is steering the car differently. Fix the car, then go drive fast.
Well, I reacted fast. I was like this. Why won't this first? Here, I'm going to
God, yeah. So we're out here at the Gillette Speedway. He's watching me film. He's rolling his eyes at me.
So now, most of the time, you would do the heat race in a main event, right? Well, now we're doing tonight a King of the Hammers thing. So it's a time trial, 2-lap run, winner stays out, loser leaves, and a new guy comes in, and just you keep going until you run through all the cars, and you can gain positions based off that. So we'll see how it goes. We're up. That's not us. That is. Okay, we got best lap time on that one. So now we go again. And if we get best lap time, we go again. And if we get best lap time, we go again. Kind of a spiral. the finish of that event. Fastest lap time for the starter of the main feature of the sprint cars is a 14.482 lap. So, not too shabby. And we'll be starting somewhere in the back of the pack. Okay, so Friday night, or Saturday night, didn't get an outro, just kind of got caught up doing stuff, left from Gillette, whatever. It was an okay night. And